Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'm starting a new series which is Python. We are going to be learning Python development. So today's the introduction. Python is one of the most common languages, one of the most used languages for AI. We're in the age of AI now, and AI is what is reigning now. So it's a very valuable skill to learn, especially now that AI is becoming more and more common. So let's get into it. So today we're going to look at how we can install Python on our system, and then I'll be dropping the next videos over the next series of these. I'll be dropping the other videos. So kindly join me on this adventure as we explore Python. So to install Python on your system, just Google Python. It will show you the default website for Python, which is python.org. And when you click on it, to take you straight to the Python page. You can now click on the download. And depending on the OS you're operating, you can select your OS here. It has detected that I'm using Windows. So I'll just download the latest version, the latest stable version, which is version 3.12.2. Click on it to download it. I'm going to download it. And once it's finished download, we're going to install it. So we're going to open it. And then just click on custom installation. Make sure everything is ticked. And then click on next. Just pick the default and install. So I wait for the installation to finish. Once the installation finishes, we'll check to see that Py has been installed on our system. I have a lot of things opened, that why the installation is a bit slow. So maybe I'll just speed up this video. So we can see Python has successfully installed. Then you can close it. And the way you check to see if Python is installed, you open your command prompt, and you type in py. If you see the version, then it has been installed. So we have Python installed already. So I'm going to close this window. So see you in the next tutorial. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.